It's nice to see you in this video. So now I'm going to be showing you how we can fix this error in our Kali Linux or any Linux distro. This is the initramfs. Now normally this error happens if our system partition faces some errors. So now here what we need to do, we need to find the location where our operating system is installed, and we go on, we fix that partition. So to the screen before you, what we are going to do, you are going to say just fdisk space -l, and if you press enter, now here you'll be able to see all the partitions which are present on your system. Now in most Linux distros, your hard drive will be seen as SDA, but other partitions on it, or partitions created on your hard drive, will be SDA1 or SDA2 or SDA3. So now if you try to see here, we have div SDA1. Now for this div SDA1, and we see the size, this is like 20. Now this is inside my VirtualBox. Now this is where our operating system is installed. Now when you try to see up here, we have our div SDA, which is the hard drive, and down here this is the partition. So we are going to get to this location and we try to scan. Fixing these errors on our Linux machine, we are going to use a command which is called fsck. Now this command is similar to that one in Windows, where you say chkdsk. This one we are going to say fsck, then put a /div/sda1. This is the partition that we are trying to scan. So I'm going to say fsck/div/sda1 space -y. So if I press enter, you can just give it a few minutes. Now your partition is going to be scanned and errors are going to be fixed. In case it is done, we are going to go on and we restart our machine or reboot our machine, and later this problem is going to be fixed and we are going to have the graphical interface back. So now when you try to see, it is done and the system was modified. Now here you are going to say just reboot and add a -f. So if I press enter, you can give it a few minutes. You are going to see that our system is going to come back with now the graphical interface. Now this trick works for all Linux distros. Does not matter whether it is Kali Linux or Ubuntu. If it is Linux and you are facing a problem like this, it is going to work. So let's just give it a few minutes until we can get our graphical interface. Now after our machine reboots, you see that we are brought back to our login page, and now here I can just type in the username and password, which is Kali. Then I'll be taken to my graphical interface. You see that in a few minutes you can manage to repair your Linux operating system in case you tend to find yourself having that error of initramfs. So in case you're interested in more videos like this, please, you can feel free to subscribe on my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and also you can share to friends that may be interested into this. I'll see you in the next video.